Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix an iPhone stuck on calling screen. So, you make a call to a number, then try to stop the call while the phone is calling. However, you can't hang up the call and the iPhone gets stuck on the calling screen. You need to make another call but the device doesn't allow it and gives you an alert saying that you can't place a call while you're on another call. Due to the stuck calling screen on iPhone, you can't get any incoming calls, either. It's ridiculous. If you have no clue why iPhone is stuck on a call screen and how to resolve this problem, this video will help figure it out. Why is your iPhone stuck on calling screen? It's possible that the operating system goes down and fails to get through the call. The display still indicates calling with a volume bar saying that you're in a call, and doesn't. Besides this, your iPhone might be stuck in calling mode if the SIM card is damaged or placed incorrectly. The outdated iOS and unknown system malware are also possible culprits. If you've ever dropped the phone, the screen might be damaged and fail to work normally. Now check the step-by-step guide of how to fix an iPhone stuck on call screen. They work for all iPhone models including the latest iPhone 17 series. Work your way down until the call screen is removed and you can use the device as usual. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Do a simple reboot. A restart is the quick and easy fix to get out of the call screen on an iPhone. The steps might be a little bit different in various iPhone models. On an iPhone 8 or older, press and hold the power key. On an iPhone 10 or newer, press and hold both the volume up key and power key. When the power off option comes out, drag the slider to switch off your iPhone. Wait at least 30 seconds. Then long press the power key and release it after the Apple logo appears. Now, see if the stuck calling screen disappears and you can make a call on iPhone again. Force the device to reboot. If nothing changes after the reboot or the stuck calling screen doesn't respond to touch or swipe, consider doing a forced restart. Press the particular button combinations and the phone will shut down itself without needing to swipe the power off slider. And the process will affect any data and files preserved on the device. Different iPhone models have varying procedures to do a forced restart. On an iPhone 8 or later, press then immediately release the volume up key, volume down key and then keep holding the power key until the Apple logo pops up. On an iPhone 7, hold the volume down key and the power key at the same time until the Apple logo comes up. On an iPhone 6s or earlier, hold the home key and power key at the same time until the Apple logo appears on the display. Your iPhone should boot up without showing the stuck calling screen. Make a call as usual, and the device should get through the calling screen and the display changes to the call timer like normal. Take out the SIM card. Have you recently changed the SIM card and taken it out for some reason? If you do, it's likely the reason why your iPhone freezes on a call screen. So, take out the SIM card to have a check. Prepare the SIM eject tool that came in the box with your iPhone or a small paperclip. Insert the tool into the small hole next to the SIM tray on your iPhone and gently push it. Then, pull out the tray and remove the SIM card. Make sure it has no visible damages, and insert it back to the phone correctly. Take a look to see if you manage to unfreeze the phone call screen stuck on iPhone. Troubleshoot your iPhone using recovery mode. Software issues could lead to phone calls stuck on calling on an iPhone. Try updating the operating system to solve the problem. Typically, updating iOS can be easily done through the Settings app. If the screen is completely stuck, putting the device into recovery mode and using a computer will be a good trick to attempt. To begin, grab a working USB cable and either a Windows or Mac laptop or desktop. Next, download the iTunes, Apple Devices app, or Finder on your computer and have your iPhone that's stuck on a call ready. When everything is set up, run iTunes, Apple Devices app, or Finder. Hook up your iPhone to the computer using the cord and follow these steps to enter recovery mode. On an iPhone 8 or later, press then immediately release the volume up key, volume down key and then keep holding the power key. On an iPhone 7, hold the volume down key and the power key at the same time. On an iPhone 6s or earlier, hold the home key and power key simultaneously. The device will shut down first, then show the Apple logo, and finally display the restore screen like this. You can try a few more times if you don't succeed on your first attempt. After entering recovery mode, ensure your phone remains connected and go to your computer. From there, a dialog box should appear, presenting the update and restore options. Click the update option and follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest version of iOS. This update will not erase any data on your device. If you still get stuck on calling screen on an iPhone, repeat the steps and click the restore option to delete everything and return the device to its original settings. Contact your phone carrier or visit the repair store. You can reach out to your mobile service provider for assistance by chatting, emails, or visiting in person. To avoid the damaged screen resulting in iPhone screen freezing during calls, take your phone to an official repair store to have a full diagnosis. If your iPhone is still under warranty, the checking and repairs will be free of charge. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone stuck on a calling screen. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting the phone call back working again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.